Hey, today I want to show you how you can use Strike-Through shortcut in Excel. First, jump into Microsoft Excel. There are two different ways to use Strike-Through shortcut in Excel. First, Control 5, and second, Control 1. The first option is to just press Control 5. So the two keyboard shortcuts, the very first one is just Control 5, will either apply a strike-through, alright? And press Control 5 a second time, you'll remove them. So this is one option. And the second is Control 1. Control 1 will give you more option. Just select the cell and press Control 1. A new format will be open. Press on third tab named Font. In below Effects folder, there are three options for strike-through. First one, strike-through. Second one is superscript, and the third one is subscript. Select the option you want, and then click on OK. These are options to use strike-through in Excel. So those are the two ways to use the strike-through in Microsoft Excel: the Control 5 shortcut or the Control 1 Format Cells dialog box shortcut. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to watch more useful videos like these.